Hi there, my name is Maeve and today we are going to continue learning the verb to need. Are you ready? Let's start. To need in Spanish is necesitar. We are going to remove the AR and we are going to add an O. In Spanish, I need is necesito. A tea in Spanish is un té. Let's do some sentences. I need a tea. I'm gasping. Necesito un té. Let's do it together. I need a tea. Necesito un té. And now is your turno. Necesito un té. Brilliant. A coffee in Spanish is un café. Let's do another sentence. I need a coffee. Necesito un café. Let's do it together. Necesito un café. And now is your turno. Necesito un café. Brilliant! A cake in Spanish is un pastel. I need a cake is necesito un pastel. Let's do it together. Necesito un pastel. Brilliant! Thank you for learning with me, Maeve. If you have liked this video, please give me a like. Bye! Muchas gracias por aprender conmigo. Si os ha gustado este vídeo, por favor, dadme un me gusta. Hasta la próxima. Bye!